Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Today we are here with top 10 best animal pets in 2023. Number 10. Snakes, ball python and children python. Number 9. Lizards, bearded dragon and leopard gecko. Number 8. Birds, parrots and cockatiels. Number 7. Hamster, Syrian hamster and dwarf winter. At number 6. Fish, goldfish and betta. Number 5. Rats, satin rat and rex rat. Number 4. Rabbits, Dutch rabbit and Netherlands dwarf rabbit. At number 3. Guinea pig. At number 2. Cats, ragdoll cat and Persian cat. And at number 1. Dogs, Labrador retriever and poodle.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.